Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back at it again with another video. It is your boy Nino, aka back at it again with another video, aka Double Upload Nino, aka Consistent Nino is back in the building. Today, guys, we have another one for you. Miss Colleen Ballinger, Miss Ukulele, my fault. I'm just reviewing the footage here. Miss Colleen Ballinger, aka Miss Grooming Allegations, aka, you know what? I think these niggas deserve a new song. We did not need that new song, Miss Ballinger. But anyway, yeah. Got a tweet here from Dexter's Laboratory, whatever the fuck you wanna call him. Video of YouTuber Colleen Ballinger in blackface performing Beyonce's Single Ladies has surfaced online. And I mean, I I'm looking at the footage here. It does appear to be Miss Colleen Ballinger with she's barefoot too, I think. Hold on, is she barefoot? No, she's not barefoot. Hold on. Dear God. Oh yeah, it's her. They're potent, guys. They're potent. I just had to check for y'all. They're potent. Oh man. Whew. Oh, nose bleeding. Holy shit. Holy fuck, man. Yeah, that's her, all right. I recognize those feet anywhere. Oh yeah. Damn. And her backup dancers are yeah, those are yeah, those are two ladies, all right. Those are two ladies. I'll let y'all be the judge on whether or not them two. I'll let y'all decide in the comments if those two individuals in the back are females or not. We'll have to put that to a poll in the comments. But I mean, yeah, man. I mean, what do you even say to that, man? You know, I mean, I can't really verify, you know, her identity, but I mean, from what I just saw, I mean, they kind of look like her, kind of do. But yeah, man. I mean, hey, man, to all the Miranda Sings, you know, fans out there, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. It's been a real shit month for y'all so far, man. It's been a really bad month for y'all. It's been a crazy month, man. Damn. I bet them niggas yell like fucking Walt, man. Miranda, stop! They found the blackface video. Stop! Please, stop. Don't kill it, please. Please, she has a family. Please, just don't fucking kill her. Please stop. Begging like fucking Ellie was begging for fucking Joe's life. Fucking spoilers. Please don't do this. That ass. That game was such fucking dog shit. But yeah, man, all the quote retweets, man. And she in ... Yes, Nicolette, she is in blackface. Now, I gotta be honest, it's not very good blackface. I mean, come on, like, if you're gonna do blackface, at least, you know, at least make yourself a full, you know what I'm saying, mud monkey, you know what I'm saying, man, you know. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, man. Fucking porch monkey, Neanderthal, moon cricket. Yeah, I mean, spook. Yeah, I mean, like, I can still see every follicle of white skin on you. You know what I mean? It's not good blackface, y'all. It's not. It's really not. And honestly, I'm kind of disappointed. Man. I mean, I think I think all that I think all that's left is for somebody to accuse Miss Ballinger of taking that sweet nectarine, you know what I mean? That sweet boy pussy, you know what I mean? I'm done with this video, y'all. I'm done with this video. TLDR, man. TLDR. Miranda scenes can't catch a fucking break, man. They dragging her ass through the mud like they did Shane Dawson. Yeah, you know I mean, bro, it was 2009, guys. Blackface was cool. Fuck, I gotta cancel her for it. Anyway, that being said, guys, another short one. You know, I think I'm gonna be switching over to shorter content. You know what I mean? Pump these bitches out faster than a whore in church pumps out illegitimate children. You know what I mean? And see if we can get this content train rolling. But yeah, until the next one, when I finally review fucking Across the Spider-Verse. Man, that video was never coming out. Anyway, peace.
Cinder and blight veil the air, bring the night, and your eyes they close. Sweet repose suspended. The hours fly, years go by.